Let me start with a simple question. What's the best tool for analyzing project cost and performance? It's Earned Value Management, or EVM. Now, I know what you're thinking. Many PMP aspirants see EVM as one of the toughest concepts in the PMBOK. Why? Because of the formulas. And because of that fear, many tend to procrastinate. They push it to the end of their preparation and then never give it enough attention. Here's my advice. Don't procrastinate on EVM. Learn it right now in this session. Go through the formulas, solve practice questions, and if you're not confident, repeat the process. Mastering EVM will not only help you pass the exam, but also make you a stronger project manager in real life. So, what is EVM? EVM is a technique that helps project managers analyze project performance. It does this by comparing the performance measurement baseline against actual cost and schedule performance. It integrates the scope baseline, cost baseline, and schedule baseline to form what we call the performance measurement baseline. And to really understand EVM, we must first understand three key terms: planned value or PV, actual cost or AC, earned value or EV. Let's explore these terms through examples. EVM allows you to calculate earned value in two ways: by percentage of work completed or by the actual number of items completed. Let's start with the percentage method. Imagine you have a 2-day schedule to install 50 computers. On day 1, the planned value is 10,000. The work is 100% complete. The actual cost is also 10,000. So EV is 100% of PV equals 10,000. On day 2, the planned value is again 10,000. But only 80% of the work is completed. The actual cost is still 10,000. So EV is 80% of 10,000 equals 8,000. When we combine both days, EV is 10,000 plus 8,000 equals 18,000. Notice something important here. EV does not depend on actual cost, AC. It only depends on the amount of work completed. Quick check. If your PV is 20,000 and you complete 50% of the work, what's your EV? Yes, 10,000. Now let's look at the second method, calculating EV based on actual work completed in numbers. Example, each day you're supposed to install 10 computers. The planned value is 10,000 per day. On day 1, you actually install 9 computers. That's 90% completion. EV is 90% of 10,000 equals 9,000. The actual cost is still 10,000. On day 2, you install all the 10 computers. That's 100% completion. EV is 100% of 10,000 equals 10,000. So in this example, you've learned how to calculate PV, how AC is recorded, and how EV is derived from actual work done. Pause and think, if you had planned to install 10 servers, but only 7 are completed, what's your EV? Yes, 70% of PV. Let's pause and recap what we've learned so far. Planned value, or PV, is the authorized budget planned for the work to be accomplished. When you add all PVs together, you get the performance measurement baseline. Actual cost, or AC, is the actual money spent for the work performed during a specific time period. Earned value, or EV, is the value of the work actually completed expressed in terms of the authorized budget. These three values, PV, AC, and EV, are the foundation of EVM. In the next part, we'll build on these basics and look at more complex examples, where we combine these measures to calculate variances and performance indexes. But for now, remember this. Without PV, AC, and EV, there is no EVM. And without EVM, managing project cost and performance is like driving with no speedometer. You'll never know if you're ahead, behind, or overspending.